In this video, we're going to learn how to use the Google Sheets importer for MacrosFirst in 3 simple steps. Let's get started. The first step is to install the MacrosFirst add-on for Google Sheets, which you can do directly from the Google Workspace Marketplace or from within your spreadsheet itself. Just tap Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and search for MacrosFirst. Here we are. And now we will click Install and proceed with granting permissions to your Gmail or G Suite account. All right, the add-on has now been successfully installed, so let's click Done, close this, and here you can find it. Click Extensions, there we are, MacrosFirst, and let's launch the importer. Now that it's installed, step 2 is to connect your MacrosFirst account. Just click the Connect button, which will open in a new tab. If you've already logged in, you'll find that you are logged in, and if you're not, you'll be prompted to log in. Let's just click Connect. Okay, we're now connected to Google Sheets. I can close this tab. Returning to our sheet, the importer is now active. So step 3, the final step, is to select the cells in your sheet that you wish to update. The only requirement here is that your range is bordered immediately to the left and immediately above by either dates or the nutrient labels. So to select your range, tap this little box to highlight it gray. Select the cells you wish to update. You'll see them updated here. And you can choose whether you want to update empty cells only or not, and click Import. Great. And here's our account data loaded directly from our MacrosFirst account in the spreadsheet. Now, as I mentioned, this format is super flexible. You can select cells and import into sheets in a whole variety of different formats. Here you can see that in this range, immediately to the left we have the nutrients, and immediately above we have the dates. So what I'm going to do is select this range to show you how this works. Okay, we've got our range selected. Click Import Now. And there we are. Everything's pre-populated. What's really cool is if you use Google Spreadsheets to communicate with a nutrition coach, you don't have to update this yourself. Instead, you could schedule daily imports to run once a day at your desired time. To do that, just tap this checkbox, select the time. For us, let's do 1 p.m. and click Import Now. This will trigger an import right now, but also set your schedule to run on a daily basis moving forward. And that's it.